How to make money with YouTube Shorts. You are a YouTube star with thousands or even millions of followers. You post daily videos and make money from ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and more. But the problem is you're overworked, tired, and have no time for yourself. That's when you need to start making YouTube Shorts. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to create short-form content that builds your brand, generates buzz, and drives traffic. Ready to learn? Let's do this. I will show you a method to earn from YouTube Shorts in a few steps. Step 1. Finding the best niche. To start a good YouTube channel, you will need to choose a high-performing niche. In this video, we will select the top 10, top 5 list videos for YouTube script. Step 2. Writing the script. You will need an amazing script to get an awesome video for YouTube Shorts. For the method I'm going to show you, we will use a website called Listverse. Go to listverse.com. You will see hundreds of articles on interesting top 10 and top 5 lists. Pick up any interesting article. Make your own top 10 list. Pick highly engaging lines from any article. Edit those into your own words. Give the script a bit of your twist and make it crispy. Let's take an example. I picked up a topic from the website, 5 popular colors that don't exist. I made a list and selected highly interesting information. I modified it to make it more engaging, and the script is ready to go. Step 3. Voiceover. The next step is to record the voiceover for your YouTube short. You can use your mobile or simple microphone to record it. Don't want to record it yourself? You can use a text-to-speech software. Step 4. Video creation. The software we are going to use to create video is InVideo.io. First, select the text-to-video option in InVideo. Select the vertical format and choose any template. Copy and paste the script you wrote earlier and rearrange it. Click on Create Video. InVideo will process the data and make a video for you out of it. Change the footage of the slides if required and then finalize the video. Step 5. Matching voiceover. As you have done the voiceover and filmed the video already, you just need to synchronize the voiceover with the video. You can perform this within InVideo or by using simple editing software. Step 6. Optimize video with vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Install TubeBuddy. Enter the target keyword. Write title description and tags with TubeBuddy suggestions. Include the word shorts in the title and description. Boom! You are now ready to publish your video. Step 7. Now we will show you how you can earn from YouTube Shorts. 1. YouTube Shorts Fund. One way to make money from YouTube Shorts is taking advantage of the $100 million Shorts Fund. This was made known to the public by YouTube in 2021, and YouTube promised YouTubers to pay them this reward monthly. Now this could be anywhere between $100,000 and $10,000 worth, but how much you earn depends on how well your shorts perform. Now, there are a few requirements to meet before earning money from YouTube Shorts. First of all, you have to upload an original video every 180 days. These videos must not be imported from TikTok or any other platform, for instance. Also, you must not be younger than 13 years or at least must be of mature age in your country. You must also be aware of the community guidelines, as well as reside in an eligible country. Once it has been confirmed that you have met the requirements, you will be contacted by YouTube within the first week of every month. And you will be given a deadline, which is the 25th of every month, to get your bonus. 2. Brand deals and sponsorships. Although it is quite beneficial, getting bonuses from YouTube Shorts might not be as easy as it seems. A lot of people are always competing for these YouTube Shorts rewards, and most of them might have more views than you do. However, brand sponsorships are another way to get money. These sponsorships have to do with getting paid to advertise a product for a brand, and this is very easy to do because millions of subscribers are not needed to get a brand deal. All you need is the perfect audience. 3. YouTube advertising revenue. A lot of people wonder if making money from YouTube Shorts using ads is possible. Well, the answer is not a direct one. The method used by a viewer to watch your shorts is very important, in the sense that if such a viewer watches the shorts from the YouTube application, You cannot earn any money because advertisements are not supported in any way. The only way to make money from shorts using ads is when your shorts are viewed on a normal watch page and not the player. On regular watch pages, ads are supported. So, being a part of the YouTube Partner Program would be an advantage. Despite this, the amount of money that will be gotten is not promising at all. Why do I say this? The senior executive producer at vidIQ decided to confirm this theory by conducting a small test on YouTube. He uploaded a Minecraft short and realized that some people watched from the normal watch page, while others watched from the shorts player. He got 1.2 million views and only made $92. Making money from YouTube is quite possible, and although there are many ways to make this money, it all burns down to viewers and engagements